Alright, so here we have the new iPad Air 2022. Let's open this up. Oh, I'll try to bring it closer to the mic so you guys can hear the lovely unboxing sounds. Wow. So I decided to go with the blue color, which is slightly different to my fawn blue. I'll show a comparison here. Okay, let's open it up. It always never comes out. I also have the Apple Pencil to unbox as well. Here we have the iPad itself. Let's actually put this to the side. Save the best for last. Let's get this out. Looks really cool. Okay, this out. Designed by Apple, California. So this is actually my first Apple product, so I'm super excited. And let's see if we get stickers, because you know, who doesn't like stickers? So we have iPad Air. How to sign up. You don't need that. Don't need that. And here we go. The stickers. Here we have a USB Type-C cable, which is the same cable for my phone as well. So that's great. And the power charging brick. Looks lovely. Let's unwrap this. Wow. Oh wow, I watch it all phone. Okay, that's pretty sick. Wow. That's really nice. Put that to the side. And now, let's move it out of here. And let's get out the iPad itself. Let's open this up. Oh wow, that is a really nice blue. So I think this is like one of the first iPads to have this blue color, which is super cool. Wow. Now look at that. Oh, I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it. Wow. Looks really awesome. Send it over. I actually did order a screen protector and a case, which I will open. Let's open this up. We'll put the case on now. I'll put the screen protector on off camera. You know, I don't want to mess anything up with that. Here we go. So this is the case. It looks pretty sick. Let's open this up. Wow, it feels really nice. Let's actually put the iPad inside right now, and let's see how well it stands up. There we go. Wow. Look at that. You guys see that custom engraving? UC42. It looks epic. And now let's see if it stands up, which is obviously the main thing. I actually don't know how to stand this up. Stands up. Pretty good indeed. And now, let's put this to the side. Let's also open Apple Pencil, which I did order as well. Here it is. This actually came a few weeks earlier, a few weeks before my iPad came. My iPad came today, so I actually already opened, like, you know, the main covering, and I had to look inside. Same paperwork. Yeah, I don't think we need to actually look at this. Just, you know, paperwork, even more paperwork, and more. Any more? Or how much can they even give us? Here we go. The pencil itself. So also have custom engraved as well. It looks absolutely beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in another video.